Hey guys, Josh and Callum here today. We're going to play a game called Muffin Stuffer! Okay, first up, Callum, see how many muffins he can fit in his mouth. Ready?
No, you got to stuff it in.
Stuff the muffin in your mouth. Go! 1. The funny thing is, Callum doesn't know they're 2 weeks old.
Serious?
Yes. Abuse. Assault.
Your turn.
My turn?
Yep.
My turn, okay. Now, I know that these muffins are 2 weeks old.
They didn't taste bad. Popping it out. Woo! And that's the muffin stuffer.